All right, just a quick one on how to take your pedals off. It obviously helps to have a really good pedal spanner. You've got a big lever here which is going to put a lot more force through the pedal itself. But if you use the crank arms as a lever themselves and work against it, you can generally undo them like that quite easily. Simple rule with this, guys, is that when you're trying to take them off, you pedal forwards. And then when you want to put them back on, you pedal backwards. That goes for left and right side. One other little thing that you may have noticed on pedals before, and some other things on bikes, are these little lines. Quite often that's an engineering process which indicates a left-hand thread. You'll see it around the bikes in other places, sometimes on drivers, that sort of stuff, but certainly commonly on pedals. As you can see, a left-hand thread with the tooling marks. No tooling marks is a right-hand thread. Other instances of this is pedals like these guys, which just have a 6mm broach on the other side. They don't have the flats, but you can see a very small tooling line, which isn't visible on that guy.